In today's video we are going to teach you how to use a pen drive in Mac and in Windows, and that allows us to copy, paste and delete files in both. The problem arises because when formatting it, we have done it with the file system NTFS or FAT32, which means that it only lets us modify it in Windows, and that in Mac we can only read. To allow us to use it without problem in both operating systems, when formatting we will have to select the file system exFAT. The complete process would be, right-click on the pen drive, format and select exFAT. We will start and we will get a notice informing us that when formatting we will lose all the information. We accept and wait for the process to be carried out. Our pen drive is now ready to be used in any operating system. If you liked the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.